Hi, at www.reluctorrings.com. We're just going to show you how to fit a hole type ABS sensor ring or reluctor ring to your drive shaft. This is one off an existing car. It's actually been very worn. It's actually pushed up the shaft, and basically it spins freely on the shaft, so that is no good. It doesn't actually work correctly on the vehicle. We're going to replace the old ring with a new manufactured ring that we make at www.reluctorrings.com. We're going to use an aluminium drift, a hammer, a wire brush to clean the existing shaft, some emery cloth to make sure it's a really good clean joint. You might need a file to take off any heavy deposits, but you can use a Dremel or some similar sort of home sort of tool. Garages will use like a rotary file or something like that. Don't remove too much of the existing material. So this ring is actually broken. It'll come off. I mean, you can drift it off, but this will just pop off because it's that worn and that broken. So discard the old piece. Now we need to get this shaft nice and clean to drift onto a brand new ring that we're going to fit. So go around with a wire brush, paying particular attention to the heavy rust deposits. You might need a file to just get in there to clean back to the shoulder, just to make sure it's nice and clean. This shaft isn't actually too bad. But if you get a wire brush, clean all around the joint. Making sure that all the existing corrosion, rust deposits, basic build-up of debris off the road is all cleaned off. That's not come up too bad now. Just finish off with some emery cloth to make sure it's a really nice clean joint. Just take all the corrosion back to the parent material. You'll be able to see that easy enough. We just get in there, make sure we can get all the surface nice and clean. We're going to have to, we don't need any heat for this particular type of ring that we fit. They drift into place because they're an interference fit, and we'll use a suitable adhesive just to make a permanent repair. A retaining adhesive, you can either use, if the shaft's overly worn, you can use Arrow Diet, any suitable adhesive like that, just to make it repair good and strong. So there we have it. We've cleaned the shaft up. Now we just need a solvent cleaner, just to clean it off. Just to make sure there's no impurities on there when you actually glue the shaft. Just give it a quick wipe. That cleans it off, make sure it's nice and clean. And we'll put some solvent cleaner onto the new ring. And clean that up also. Okay, so we're going to now fit the new replacement ring. If you just drop it gently, the chamfer should pick up on the actual outside of the shaft. And what we're going to do is equally tap the ring down, be a tight fit all around the circumference, around the diameter. Then we have to make sure that it's home and right back to the shoulder, so just on the edge. Just drift equally all around the diameter until you can hear it sounded at home. Nice and solid. Now we've put all that around, it's all the way round the circumference, it's up to the shoulder. So the adhesive now will have bonded onto the actual ring itself. You can put that back on the vehicle, and by the time it's all back and the car's running, that will have bonded and made a suitable permanent repair.